Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Gocardless account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Gocardless account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in manage.gocardless.com and make a search. The login page of Gocardless account will appear on the screen. Now to log into your Gocardless account, enter your email address and password associated with your Gocardless account and tap on sign in. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgotten your password option. This is how you can log into your Gocardless account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.